Hi, I'm Brett from One Call, and I'd like to talk to you about Denon's new in-command series of network-connected home theater receivers. Like the AVR 3312CI here, the AVR 2312CI, and the AVR 2112CI. CI is for custom integration, so these are ready to integrate with a home automation system such as Control4. They also feature 6 HDMI 1.4 inputs, so they're 3D compatible. Features common to all of the Denon receivers are equal power to all 7 channels. They have video conversion of analog signals to HDMI. They have PC setup and control capability as well, and have built-in AirPlay. All 3 models feature enhanced network capability and iPod connectivity, so you can listen to internet radio, play audio files, and display images via an Ethernet connection. These new Denon receivers all have Odyssey multi-point EQ and come with a calibrated microphone. These Denon receivers are also multi-source, multi-zone receivers, so you can watch your favorite movie in one room while listening to your favorite radio station in another, and have a 3-year manufacturer's warranty. Looking at the differences between these receivers, the Denon AVR 2112 is 90 watts by 7 with a single subwoofer output, while the AVR 2312 is 105 by 7, adding a second subwoofer output and an extra HDMI input on the front panel. The AVR 3312 is 125 watts by 7, has the 2 subwoofer outputs, the extra HDMI input on the front panel, and preamplifier outputs for all of the potential amplifier channels. This is Brett from One Call. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to get an alert each time we add a new video. If you want to learn more about these new Denon receivers, please visit our website at onecall.com or give us a call at 1-877-457-7309. We like to talk to our customers. Thanks for watching.